Mrs. McQuinn. It's all right. I screw up all day today, so you're entitled to one. Progressive discipline.
Are you asking me if I have comments or if I'm here?
No, I'm asking if you want to do your board discussion item. I might be old, but I'm not blind. I can see you're here.
It's okay. We all know it's been a little stressful lately. Okay, yes, my board discussion item, if I believe this is correct, because I don't do this often, I am asking my board members if they want this to be something we discuss later, correct? Here's my board discussion item. It has to do with progressive discipline. Over my 2 years here, we have had employees from teachers to other administrators, most recently transportation. There has been a question about whether a particular progression of discipline has occurred. So my question will end up being, do we have a progressive discipline policy? And if we do, what is it?
So what I'll do is, we do. I'll have Dr. LaCava and his team was scheduled to present that. I think part of sometimes the angst is the realities within the progressive discipline policy. There are certain acts that will circumvent the progressive discipline process. And so I think it is important for the community to understand that certain things do rise to the level of making recommendations to the board for other acts. But Dr. LaCava's team will present that, and we'll get that on the agenda. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Madam Clerk, may I take a motion now to adjourn? Thank you. Motion by Mrs. Andrews, seconded by Mrs. McQuinn, who's here. All in favor? Opposed? Motion carries 7-0. So we have a special meeting, and as soon as I find it on the computer,